Hi, my name is Prahasith, and I built an LED project. My goal was to make an on and off button so they make the LEDs turn on and off. Design: I used a Raspberry Pi, a breadboard, a lot of wires, and 5 LEDs. Build: I used wires, buttons, a Raspberry Pi, and LEDs. Program: I used Python to build the program. This part up here is for my buttons, and this part up here is for my LEDs. It took about 35 tries. Most of the time was that I didn't put the wires correctly. Demo.
Run it.
As you can see, the LEDs are turning off and on.
Okay, can you explain to us what's going on?
So this button at the very top turns the LEDs on, and this button at the very bottom turns the LEDs off.
Can you explain to us what's going on in the code?
So in the code, this right here is what the output for the LEDs, and this is for the input right here. For this part is if I click this button down here, it turns them off, and then this part down here, if I click the top button, they turn on.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions for him?
So, what was the hardest part of the project, and how long did it take for you to build this project?
The hardest part was probably building it, and then it took me maybe 2 weeks.
What do you mean by building it?
Like building putting all
circuit.
the wires and LEDs together.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else? All right, let's give him a round of applause.